Imagine cutting your PC's boot time in half with a simple, affordable upgrade. What if a $50 investment could make your old computer feel brand new? Today, we're diving into 5 budget-friendly tweaks you can make to any aging PC, each costing less than $50, each delivering dramatic speed boosts. No empty promises. Real, measurable gains in boot times, gaming performance, and everyday productivity. Whether you're gaming, working, or just browsing, these upgrades deliver tangible results you can see and feel. Stay tuned as we count down from 1 to 5 and transform your sluggish system into a snappy powerhouse without emptying your wallet. Let's get started. Step 1. Swap out that old hard drive for a solid-state drive, or SSD. For under $50, you can pick up a 500 gigabyte SATA SSD and watch your system respond like it's had a triple espresso shot. Brands like Crucial, Samsung, or Western Digital offer budget SSDs with reliable warranties, ensuring you get performance you can trust. Imagine boot times dropping from minutes to seconds, apps launching instantly, files opening in a blink. That's not marketing hype, that's pure hardware magic. Install it in minutes, clone your existing drive or start fresh, and feel the immediate difference. We've seen machines that once crawled across the desktop threshold now race across it. But don't celebrate just yet. Because coming next is a memory upgrade hack that further boosts multitasking power and makes slowdowns a thing of the past. Grab your screwdriver, grab your new SSD, and get ready to feel the power surge. Stay with me to Step 2, a memory boost trick that moves your machine from sluggish to supercharged, letting you run multiple apps, browser tabs, and games without watching that dreaded loading wheel spin forever. Step 2. Upgrade your RAM and unlock true multitasking freedom. If your PC is stuck at 8 gigabytes, bumping up to 16 gigs can instantly reduce freezes and lag when you switch between applications, edit massive documents, or load web pages across dozen tabs. And here's the best part. You can often find a 16 gigabyte DDR4 kit on sale near $50, especially during seasonal promotions. Keep an eye on flash sales, rebates, and open box offers to score even deeper discounts without sacrificing quality. Simply align the notch, press down evenly until the sticks click, and power back on. Notice your system breeze through tasks that once choked it. It's like clearing a highway jam, suddenly everything flows. Plus, by reducing strain on your processor, you're not just speeding things up, you're extending your PC's lifespan and delaying expensive repairs. Combined with that shiny new SSD, you'll feel a dramatic boost in responsiveness, whether you're crafting a spreadsheet or launching your favorite game. Curious what comes next? We're about to tackle the dust bunnies in your case. Replace old thermal paste to stop throttling and keep your PC cool under pressure. Ready for Step 3? We're diving into the internal maintenance nobody loves but everyone needs. Cleaning out dust. Refreshing thermal paste to stop choking your CPU. Ensure smooth, uninterrupted performance and extend hardware life. Step 3. Give your machine a breath of fresh air by cleaning out all the dust and replacing old thermal paste on your CPU. Over time, dust builds up in fans, heat sinks, and vents, acting like a blanket that traps heat and forces your system to throttle performance. A quick blast with compressed air and a chip brushing away of debris restores airflow instantly. Next, remove your cooler. Carefully wipe off the dried, hardened paste and apply a fresh pea-sized drop of high-quality thermal compound before reseating. For around $40 or $50, you can grab generic thermal paste and canned air, making this one of the cheapest and most effective upgrades you'll ever do. Suddenly, your CPU runs cooler, maintains higher clock speeds, and stays rock steady during long gaming sessions or intensive workloads. Not only will temps drop by 10 degrees or more, but you'll also protect sensitive components from heat damage and prolong your PC's life. This low-cost fix using generic paste and basic tools keeps your hardware running reliably. Don't blink. Next, we'll reveal Step 4, a tiny graphics card that packs a surprising punch for gamers on a budget. Ready for the next power boost? Step 4 introduces a budget graphics card that turns your PC into a capable gaming rig. Stick around to see how a small card under $50 can crush entry-level benchmarks. Step 4. Plug in an entry-level graphics card and watch your gaming performance jump. Under $50 can fetch you a second-hand or clearance GPU, like a budget GeForce GT or Radeon RX model. Popular picks include the GeForce GT 710 or Radeon RX 550, depending on availability and price, stepping your frame rates from unplayable to smooth. Swap in the card, connect its power cable if needed, install the driver, and open your favorite game. One benchmark showed frame rates doubling in older titles. Even today's esports games run at playable settings. For just a few extra dollars over the base cost, you can snag models with GDDR memory, boosting shader performance and crisp visuals in lightweight editing tools. Trust me, the visual fidelity jump and smoother frame pacing are hard to ignore. And if you're not into gaming, this GPU also accelerates video editing tasks, 3D rendering, and other graphics workloads. It's a multi-purpose performance enhancer that costs less than a night out. But don't log off yet. We've got a final zero-cost trick coming up that squeezes every last drop of speed from Windows itself. Onward to Step 5. Finally, Step 5 delivers a $0 optimization that makes your OS lean. Stick around to see simple Windows tweaks that eliminate background bottlenecks and free up precious CPU cycles for the tasks you actually care about. Step 5. Optimize Windows and watch your PC use every ounce of its hardware. Start by disabling unnecessary startup programs in Task Manager, those hidden launchers that silently hog memory and CPU cycles. Then tweak visual effects. Switch off animations, shadows, and opaque menus in system performance settings. You'd be surprised how much faster Windows open and move. Next, update drivers. Defragment any remaining hard drives. Enable trim for SSDs to maintain peak write speed over time. Turn off Windows search indexing on old hard drives. Disable Superfetch to reduce unnecessary disk activity. Free up more resources for the tasks you love. Finally, adjust power settings to high performance. Customize a balanced plan that keeps your processor clocked up when you need it. These simple changes require no investment. Deliver up to 20% faster boot and load times. Combined with the upgrades you've already installed, your PC will feel reborn. Quick, responsive, and ready for work or play. You've taken an old machine from sluggish to swift, all for under $50 per upgrade. You've seen how just $50 at a time can transform sluggish hardware into a speedy, capable machine. From lightning-fast boot times to smoother gaming and seamless multitasking, each tweak empowers you to get more from your PC without breaking the bank. Which of these budget-friendly upgrades will you try first to breathe new life into your PC?